Good morning, guys. Today we're going to show you where you can drink the cheapest coffee in Manchester. It's a proper coffee shop and it's quite new. Was open last year in the summer, and I just find out that coffee shop from mistake to say like that. I just walking in a town and I just pop in and yeah, I drink the cheapest coffee in Manchester, but I will tell you more when we arrive there. Let me show you a little bit around. So we are in city center. This is city center in Manchester if you didn't been before. We going to the Deesgate Street. So this coffee shop is on a Deesgate Street, exactly in a city center. So the average price for a coffee here in Manchester it's around £3 for espresso, £3.20, flat white maybe £3.50, but here all the coffees are the same price. I'm not gonna tell you the price now, I'll tell you the price later, and I will show you the venue also. This is this gate, not very busy. It's a Monday morning when I film video, so you know how Monday is when you go back to work after the weekend, especially if it was a Valentine's weekend. So let me give you some indication. So here we have a black sheep, it's not this one. So you go straight and here you make right, and exactly over there, did you see the sign? Cupra. This is the coffee shop, you see? So here we will drink the cheapest coffee in Manchester. You can see it's a big sign outside. Okay, let's go inside and to see what's happened. So this is the coffee shop. As you can see, they have here merch. You can buy different stuff, jackets, backpack, jumpers, everything. So everything is brand. You see, it's very beautiful. And they have this car here also. Cupra is the brand of this electric car. Nice music inside. So as you can see, it's a brand new coffee shop. So the initial prices are this one, but they do a deal between 8 o'clock and 12 o'clock. This deal is between 8 and 12?
8:30 and 12.
Yeah, between 8:30 and 12. So the other stuff this guy are selling here. As you can see, the food hygiene is 5, which is good. There is the toilet. It's very beautiful and brand new. So they are table nice, cozy here. Wines. So this is the coffee brand what they use here. You see, the Belgian chocolate black cherry, Tackle, one of them. So they have Guatemala coffee here, which I think is one of the best. So yeah, guys, if you come to Manchester, just pop in here. I will show you the menu also. So this is the menu. Let me show you. So forget about these prices here, because every coffee between 8:30 and 12 o'clock it's £2. So if you want to drink a flat white, if you want to drink espresso, so this is my espresso. I would usually drink just double espresso. As you can see, it's looking absolutely perfect. Nice cream on the top. Let me smell. Perfect. I really recommend you guys, if you have the chance to come here you are in a Manchester city center and you want to drink a good coffee for £2 is worth it, because if you go to Pret or Greg's or other stuff, probably you'll pay like a £2.50, but this coffee is different. It's Arabica 100%. You see, I show you around this from Guatemala also. They also do like some croissants, like a little toasty, spicy chorizo, which is $5.50, 3 cheese, which is $5.50, vegan crepes. So you can have a nice breakfast also. I mean, like a snack. It smells so good. Let me show you again. Okay. Let's drink. Let's see how it is. Let's drink like a Italian first water. I always like to drink like that, first water and after that the coffee, because you want to feel the flavor of the coffee, and like that you can feel if the coffee is burned or not. The smell is very, very good, so I really recommend. Spot on, beautiful, very beautiful. One more thing what I want to show you. So they do a lot of events. So on the back of the menu you have the events what are going on. Also they do running clubs, they do yoga, Pilates. So here, for example, a running club, it's every Sunday. Yoga 7th of February, 21st of February. They do Pilates, which is they do in 14th of February and 28th of February also. And here they are like some how to say, like gigs, not gigs, like parties. So they have one in 20th of February. Actually they have two in 20th of February, and they have another one in 27th of February. So let me show you closer. I recommend you to try to see. Also you can go inside of that car if you want to see how's it feel to be in an electric car. Okay, let me get dressed and I'll tell you more when we're leaving. Well guys, I will tell you that that coffee was absolutely amazing. To be honest, I'm good in coffees. I mean, not good, that is not a perfect word. I am very particular in a coffee because I used to work in a coffee shop and I learned everything about coffee, and I can feel if a coffee is burned or is not good quality coffee. But this one is spot on. So this guy, they don't joking. They give you the same coffee like in a coffee shop where you will pay for the same type of coffee around £3.20 for a double espresso. So they don't joking. They really do. They have a good coffee. So I really recommend you, if you come to Manchester, this is Deesgate Street. So you go past, you will see House of Phrase, and you do left. The best repair is Black Sheep. You go on a Deesgate, Black Sheep, next to the Black Sheep. It's just one Black Sheep on a Deesgate. Try it and see for yourself, because it's very, very good coffee. And I don't want to promote something what I don't like. I mean, I don't promote it because nobody pay me for that. I just want to show you guys, because I know a lot of people drink coffees in the morning, and if you have a good coffee on a good price, it's even better. Okay, that's it. I pay for that coffee £2. So don't forget, between 8:30 and 12 o'clock the coffee is £2. After that it's gonna be more expensive. I mean £3.20. So they are the prices after 12 o'clock, but we drink coffees in the morning. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this type of videos, subscribe, like and comment, and let me know in a comment if you want me to go to show you other different stuff, maybe the best breakfast in Manchester, the cheapest breakfast in Manchester, or maybe other coffee shops. Just leave it down in a comment, and I promise you I will answer, and I will do the video request. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.